Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Keith James Dunn, aka the Broker Guy. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to build out a mortgage calculator. So I'm on the final site here showing you what we are going to build. So this is the mortgage calculator with sliders that you can change out here, and then it will calculate into a breakdown. So let's figure out how to put that on our site here. So you want to start, as always, at Bluehost. Click on the My Sites, scroll down here to your site, and then you want to log into WordPress. So from WordPress, click on the plugins, click on Add New, and you just want to type in right here, mortgage calculator, and I already have it right there. So there are plenty of mortgage calculators, but this is the one that I installed here. So it's the WordPress mortgage calculator. You just click install now, which I've already done this. So install now, and then you click activate. So now this is activated. Once that is activated, it's actually going to redirect you over to your plugins. And you'll see it right here. Now what we want to do is go to the calculator settings. And we are going to change this up just a little bit. Not on this page, but I'm going to take this one out. No integration there. Go to display settings. We're going to have the default. Let's put it for 600,000. Maximum, I put 10 million. Default interest rate, chose 3.99. Rate's a little bit higher right now. Interest rate step 0.01, so that way people can very customize their rates. And then default years, let's put 30 years in there. Max years, 30. Put whatever you want in there. If you got 40-year loans nowadays, go for it. We're going to add in the down payment. So I just put 120. That goes by dollars. You can add in property tax. And this is going to be monthly property tax. So I put 10,000 is the max. I'm sorry, this is the max. 50,000 I'll put for max. Homeowners insurance up to PMI. You can add PMI. Default PMI, just put $1. If you put 0, it doesn't necessarily work that well. So I would put just $1 in there. Max PMI. They're not going to be over 1,000. Homeowners insurance. Put 1,000 there for default, and then 10,000 max. Then homeowners insurance step. Now, site display. So you want to update the digit colors to white. Boom, and then you can either use a triangle or a circle. I think the circle looks better. And I change this to horizontal. And that is all the setting updates you'll need. They're still clean on our page. All right, so we just submitted that. Now what you want to do is go back to the plugins. Scroll down here. You want to go to view details on the one we just installed. And then installation. So there is a short code right here. This is what we're going to use for actually plugging this into our page. So copy that. Now we're going to go to pages. So we're going to add a new page. So add new. And as always, go to use the default editor and let's wipe all that out. Boom, mortgage calculator. And then in here, if you don't see short codes right there, just type in short code like that. And what we copied, I'm gonna paste it right there. Now you can publish that. Now what we also want to do, we're going to go back real quick. We want to add the apply now button as always to every single page. So if you just click right here, we're going to steal that short code from this page. Actually, you know what? We're just going to, instead of doing that, we're going to take the page. Where is the permalink? Here's the link. So we're going to just copy this link address as opposed to taking the shortcode because you don't want the full application on there. Now you'll go back once you've copied the page, leave. Go back into your mortgage calculator. And right here, you want a button. Now let's say apply now. And then you want to go to this little paper clip right there. You want that URL in there. And you can have it open in a new tab for them. Now we're also going to center this one, line center, and you'll see why in a second. And then I'm going to add a little spacer here. It doesn't already show up. Spacer. So we're going to update. Now we're going to preview the page. And it should be exactly what we had on the other one. Perfect. So it is all functional. Change the rate. They can also type in here what they want the rate to be, or they can change it like that. And then calculate. Beautiful. Okay, now we have to take this over to our Bluehost builder. So you want to copy this part right here. Again, you don't want to copy the preview. Just want to copy the page ID URL. So if you're back here, go back into WordPress. Click on the website builder. This will take you to that Bluehost page. You want to go to menus and pages. I'm going to create a new page. And you want it to be an external link. That was what you just copied. Let's see, mortgage calculator. You don't want it to open in a new tab. We'll add page right there. So now it's right here at the top. So let's check it out. Make sure it looks good. and it looks good. So now let's go to publish. All right, let's make sure it looks good. So here's our page. Here's our new tab. Click that. Boom. Got a mortgage calculator with the Apply Now button, which opens up into your short form application. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Of course, there's going to be much, much more to come. Stay in touch. Hopefully you like this. So if you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, my name is Keith James Dunn, aka The Broker Guy. Thanks again.